Hi, I'm Trey. My main grade is a senior. The main activities I'm in is track, cross country, and bowling.
My name is Kiera. I'm a senior and I'm in Student Collective, Cheer, Sisters for Success, Dream to Teach.
My name is Demario. I'm in football, basketball, track, brother, and Student Collective.
My name is Calvin. I'm a senior. I do swimming, tennis, I do decathlon, and that's about it. I also work as a cashier down at Burlington Marine Mall.
My name is Victoria. I'm a senior in what activities?
Yeah.
I run track and I do cross country.
My name is Nakara Doby. I'm a senior at Hoover High School and I do track, cheerleading, and poetry.
Alright, I am Claire Johnson. I am a senior. I do cheer, softball, theater, both competition and the musical, National Honor Society, a mentoring program, and I'm probably forgetting something. It's a long list.
They give me like a better mindset to keep my grades up.
I'd say they impacted me positively because it gave me more chances to get out of the house and try new things and experience new experiences.
Being in sports gets you, well, not only does it give you like something to do, but like it makes you learn that you got responsibilities and you got like things you gotta take care of, and it makes you feel good that like when you accomplish your goals.
Physically, it's good to just keep in shape and not be so, be productive instead of just laying around doing something. Also being social, socializing with other people. Competitively, mentally, cross country was hard mentally, but it's also like kind of training you to be better, pushing yourself when you don't feel like pushing yourself.
I would say that these activities impact me positively because it keeps me like involved in the community, and it definitely like makes me in tune with like my social life, and I still get to like talk with my friends on like a daily basis while still being involved in like Hoover activities.
Probably like balancing sports and school.
I think probably the biggest struggle I had was maybe not like putting on my all in like my classes. Like I would maybe slack a little bit more than I wish I would have, especially like sophomore year. I wish I would have tried harder because it really does help in the end. So
I struggled with time management. I spent all the time doing things I didn't need to be doing or not prioritizing the things I need to be doing. And I also struggled with asking for help when I needed it because I thought they wasn't going to care, but they do care.
I think I struggle with procrastination. Just don't try to do as much, and yeah, make sure to get everything on time.
Other people's opinions when, like, in reality, everybody focuses on themselves and nobody really cares about you. And if they do, then it's just them reflecting off of their own life. It's not about you, really.
The struggles that I had throughout the year of high school is finding a group that I felt comfortable with, and also keeping up with like Hoover activities because I really wasn't a social person before high school.
Don't wait last second to turn your work in.
the biggest advice I could give is, even though it may seem like it's not that important at the time, all of your classes are important, and when you're a senior, you're going to be wishing that you like really paid attention and really focused on your earlier classes. So.
If you need help in a certain class, ask. Like they're not out here to get you, I promise. And if they are out here to get you, that means you're doing something wrong, so you gotta look at yourself.
My advice for other classmen is take what you think is necessary, don't do unnecessary things possible, and be happy with what you do.
Be social, find people, try to get out your comfort zone. Don't just be in one bubble. Stay on top of your studies. Don't ever lose sight of that, because that's the whole point of school, to education. Extracurricular activities, either if it's not sports, then it's like drama clubs, something where you're interacting with people. And don't fit into rumors and stuff, because sometimes people are just bored and just make a story about you. So that doesn't really matter at all.
Go to class. You'll miss stuff, and then you won't know what you're doing. And walk faster in the hallways, please.